Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Purple Visa. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, just type in purplevisa.co.nz and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of the Purple Visa card. If you're not a member already, then you can click on the Apply Now button and get started with Purple Visa. In order to log in, just click on the button which says Log in to eMoney at the top right corner. And now this will open up the login portal. Now just enter your customer number followed by your password. Then just click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with the Purple Visa card. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the button which says First Time Login or Forgotten Your Password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Purple Visa. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us.